Right, well, welcome back to the channel. Today I've received an order from SF Stainless. That was a chrome rear light cover which I've just stuck on. That was dead easy. I've also got the Fugal binder kit, quick release kit for the side panels. Now the bike's going in for the first service on Monday, so I thought I'd get these fitted before then, and that'll help the technicians do the job a bit quicker. I won't be hanging around quite so long for the service to get completed. So let's crack on. So the left fairing first. If you follow that spanner up, you'll see one of the bolts, 8mm. Quite slack. Yeah, that's one. Next one, which is just here. I'm using a ratchet spanner, but you could use a little socket, 8mm again. Right. The second one. So 1, 2, 3. Well, I've got this one. If you can see on this camera, this one's a 10mm. Yeah. Particularly not particularly hard. It's just not quite enough to do by hand tight. And unfortunately I can't get a socket on or my ratchet ring spanner, but that's slack now. There we go, third one. 1, 2, 3. Lift off. Oh, lift the seat. That should work out. And to be honest, that's not hard. You know, people say it takes ages to take these off. It doesn't. However, you do need to undo this indicator wire. As if you can just see there, it's just a little clip. Just push it in, pull it out. That's one panel off. Just show you the positions for the bolts now. The fairing is off. That's the nut and bolt that comes through, and really that should be fixed so it doesn't rotate. Actually, when it's that way, it is, so that's okay. So that 10mm nut goes off there. Then you've got an 8mm there, and 8mm there. So 10mm, 8mm, 8mm, and then just pulls off. That's the hole where the front mounting goes. That's the hole where the back mounting goes. And that's the hole where the middle mountain goes. Nice and simple. and the 3 bolts, I guess they'll be in the same position. There's one at the back, that's 8mm one. That's the second one, sorry. Just the same as the other side, just there. That'll be the third. So we'll undo them 3 now. As if there's another one there. That'll be the indicator. Oh no. There we go. And the indicator again. I'll just show you a little bit better maybe. The light might not be too good. It's just that little pushy down bit there on my thumbnail. Push. And then pull the connection out. Pretty easy. 3 nuts and bolts either side and it's off. No real need for the Fugel binders, but I've got them, so I'll fit them. Well, that's a quick video of how to take the side panels off a GP300 2020 model. Pretty simple. It's a 5-minute job if that even, and it allows you access to all the gubbins. Very easy. Have a good yourself, see what you think. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more on the maintenance, and yeah, see you next time. Keep the faith.